Hi everyone, I am back with another project. Today's project I'll be doing Butterick pattern B5618. Now I did a version of the pants before, not as wide legged as this. In the end I tapered mine, but what I'll be working on instead is the jacket, view A. I have a solid lavender print, linen print, that I'll be using to make this jacket. Let me just zoom in a little bit. Here it is, view A, the jacket. It features 4 pockets at the front, a turned up cuff at the sleeve. It's open, an open jacket. Let me show you the back with the line drawings. I'll zoom in a little bit again. Here's the line drawing for jacket A, that's the front, and here it is for the back. Okay, so A is what I'll be working on, the jacket. I'll show you the instruction sheet now. Here's the jacket again. For the jacket, I need only 8 pattern pieces. There's a front, a upper pocket, a lower pocket, a back, a front facing, a back neck facing, a sleeve, and a tab. So those are the 8 pieces that I'll be working with for the jacket. Piece number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, and let me see if I can find the layout for you. If the fabric is 60 inches wide, this is how you would lay it out on lay out the pattern pieces on the fabric. Alright, so there's a lot of space there for you to lay out on, and this would be for sizes 12 to 20. In terms of the instructions now for jacket A, we have 1, 2, 3 steps here, dealing with the interfacing first, then the front pockets and the back. Let me flip this over. In all, we're looking at 21 steps. Hem and finish will take you into 25 steps in all. So there are a lot of steps involved in this jacket, and we'll see how it turns out, hopefully as pictured. For the notions now, let me zoom in a little bit. The notions for the jacket says hooks and eyes, which is a little bit old-fashioned for a jacket opening. I don't think I'll be doing that. This is a 2011 style, so I'm not fancying the idea of hooking the open front in with hook and eyes. I might use another type of closure, but we'll see how it turns out in the end. So that's it, Butterick 5618 jacket, and I'll be moving on to cut the pieces and stitch this jacket. Okay, so these are the two front pieces that were cut out. I have a dart, or there is a dart running from about the middle of this pocket to the other pocket. It's on both sides of the front piece. Alright, so what I've done now is I've just pinned the upper pocket on the front on both sides. That's the upper pocket, and then I've also pinned the lower pocket. So this is a linen blend, so I'm gonna give it a press before edge stitching the pocket and top stitching it as well. So that's where we have reached, working on the pockets at the front. Just a reminder of what it looks like. Here we go. There are two upper pockets and two lower pockets, and that's where we're at now. So it's coming along. I'll show you the next step after that. Okay, so the pockets are on. I decided to edge stitch in the coordinating color and top stitch in red. So it's top stitched all the way around, and very nice looking pockets. Alright, moving on to the next step. Okay, so this is the back piece. Very simple. It requires you to do the back darts and press towards the center. So there are two back darts here, and then this is the center seam pressed. My finish is just the pinking shears, but you can finish properly with a serger if you like. And ease stitching the shoulders, the back. There's no ease stitching at the front, there's actually ease stitching at the back. So that's it. Okay, both shoulders done. Now for the sides that I've already pinned. Okay, so I'm gonna go down these sides. Okay, so from the underarm here we have the side seam going all the way down. So the sides are together now and the shoulders are together. Okay, this is the other side. Good. Almost have it together now. So we are moving on to the sleeves.